everyone, welcome to Opal Rosella channel. If you're a bird lover or planning to get one, this video is for you. Today we'll cover 10 things every bird owner needs to create a safe place for their feathered friend. First, a spacious cage. Your bird needs plenty of room to stretch its wings and move around freely. Make sure the cage is at least twice your bird's wingspan, with proper water spacing to prevent injuries. Next, perches. Birds love to sit on perches. Provide different natural wood perches to keep your bird's feet healthy and comfortable. Full spectrum lighting helps birds produce vitamin D and supports their overall health. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.